Have you ever wondered how much you can earn in a year creating only 3D models? Me too. That's why I decided to create 300 models in 360 days. Sounds crazy? It is. Today is the beginning of my biggest challenge yet. I will create 300 models and see is it really possible to make a living from 3D art. I will show you failures and success, tips and tricks I used and many more. I've always wondered if a 3D artist can make a living from 3D models. Building a shop is very difficult, as well as time consuming. That's why I choose to see if it's even worth it. Today I put the first model bundle on a few 3D models markets to see which one is the best, and this is only the beginning. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can get the first bundle of models I've made. But first, let's talk about the plan for this challenge. Every week I will publish a bundle with 5 to 7 models, and 1 or 2 of them will be for free. That means that you can get 50 models for free only by following this challenge. Also, every week I will add a post and short showing progress and behind the scenes. Every 2 weeks I will be posting a video about the updates, in which you will see a full process of creation from cube to publishing, and how much each model earns. Additionally, after each bundle, I will add a card to my Gumroad describing 3D models. I will show how long it took me to make one, how hard it was to create, and how many vertices the model has. At the end of the challenge, I will summarize every aspect. I will show everything, how many hours I spent in total, what I think about progress, and last but not least, how much I've earned through this adventure. Today I finished my first bundle that is part of my new challenge. When I was thinking about what bundle I should make first, I decided to create something difficult. My first idea? Plants. European Meadow. In next video I will show you how I make them. The bundle contains with 11 models, each with at least 4 variations. Bundle is optimized and ready to use. 2 models you can get completely for free. Check out link in the description. And here is how you can get this bundle. All you have to do is to leave a like and tell me what kind of bundle I should make next. I will pick 3 best comments and I will announce who wins in the next video. Today starts my craziest project yet. Subscribe to follow the journey. And let's see how far I can go before burning out. Time to start and see you soon.